So the other question said also additionally add to your YouTube video using your model to specifically explain the anatomy and physiology of sex of your fetal pig that you choose to represent. So the anatomy and physiology, so that is the body system, the major organs and the function of those organs. So I'll start with the digestive system. Here is this is for the digestive system, starting from the mouth. So the digestive system, it consists of the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the liver, gallbladder, the pancreas, small intestines, and large intestines. Like you can see here, we have small intestines, large intestines, we have the pancreas, we have the stomach, we have the gallbladder, we have everything that we need, and we have the mouth here on top, and it has all the tongue, the esophagus that goes down. As you can see there, there's the esophagus. So the function of this, for the digestive system, it breaks down food to absorb nutrients and eliminate wastes. Even though the fetus, like the fetal pig, does not eat, but it has organs that developed and they function. Yeah, they function. And then we have the respiratory. So for the respiratory, in the respiratory, it starts with the nasal cavity, the trachea, the bronchi, and then the lungs. So like you can see the nozzle from here, the nasal cavity, then goes to the trachea, and then the bronchi, then the lungs. They provide oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide. So in the fetus, or in fetus like this, the pigs, the lungs are not yet developed for breathing, but they have not developed for breathing, but they still develop when the lungs will still be developing, and then they will be useful when they are born, like when at birth. Immediately after birth, then they use the lungs for breathing. And then we have the heart. It's a little bit inside there. So that is the heart. For the heart, it's a little bit inside here. For the heart, it's heart, arteries, and veins and capillaries. The heart transports oxygen and nutrients, hormones, and wastes. The fetal pigs have special shunts, like the ductus arterius that bypass the lungs. So instead of using the lungs, they use the ductus arterius. And then there's central nervous system, the nervous system, which has the brain, the spine, and the nerves. So this is the brain here. Like you can see the brain, the spine inside here, and the nerves. So this also controls movement, reflexes, and sensations, and the body regulation coordinations. Yeah, and it coordinates all body systems. Yes, it coordinates all bodies. Then we have the urinary system. This is for the urinary system, this right here. The kidneys. So the kidneys, the uterus, the urinary bladder, urethra, these are the organs that are found on the urinary system. This for the urinary system. So the function is that it filters blood, regulates fluid, it regulates fluid balance, and removes nitrogenous wastes, which is urea. And then the other one is the reproductive system. So this is the reproductive system. It's the female reproductive system here. So it includes the ovaries, oviducts, uterine, ons, the cervix, vagina, urogenital opening, and the function is that it produces eggs and hormones. It also supports embryo development and allows birthing, of offsprings. So that's all I have to say on my female fetal pig model. Thank you.